Hello, this is Professor Sampson, and I'm going to be showing you how to change your mixed number into improper fractions in your calculator. This goes with section 4.1 in the Squire's notebook. You already saw the other video, so you should know how to do it by hand, simply by multiplying 2 times 3, which is 6, adding the 1, 7, and keeping the denominator, which is 7 over 2. Which it seems easy if you take a look at all of these examples. When you get to this one, it's a little bit more difficult because the number is larger. So I'm going to show you how to do it with the upgrade, and then I'm going to show you how to do it if you don't have the upgrade. It's pretty quick. If you have the upgrade, you need to go back to that fraction menu that we already discussed, that alpha y equals. Instead of selecting number 1 to put in a fraction, you're going to select number 2. That's to put in a mixed number. So select number 2. And then you can fill it in. And this first one, 3, and I'm going to fill in 1 over 2. Once you hit enter, it's going to give it back to you in a improper fraction. So you don't need to do anything further with it. All right. So for example, this one would be 7 over 2. And you could attempt to do the same thing with 2 and 4/5. So that would be alpha y equals. Make sure you select number 2 and you see all the boxes, 2 and 4 over 5 is the second problem. Enter. And that answer is 14 over 15. Okay, so that's simple enough. That's how you do it if you have the upgrade, changing your mixed numbers into improper fraction. If you do not have the upgrade, what you have to remember from the other video is that a mixed number is a whole number plus a fraction, not a whole number times a fraction. So this 3 1/2 is 3 plus 1/2. If you do not have the upgrade in your calculator, you would input this as 3 plus 1/2 to change that into a improper fraction. So we would put 3 plus. Don't forget, we don't have the upgrade, so we need to put parentheses around our fractions. 3 plus 1/2. It gives us it back in a decimal, and of course we have to do math, enter, and we'll get 7 over 2. So we'll do this large one, 2 and 46 over 149. So that's 2 plus, don't forget your parenthesis, 46 divided by 149. Of course, you know it's going to give you back a decimal. So you can go right ahead and hit math, enter, and you get your answer of 344 over 149. Just so you know that it's the same answer. Of course, it's the same answer if I use the menu, the alpha y equals menu, for the same problem. Of course, I'm going to get the exact same answer. So you see that having the upgrade in the calculator is a really handy feature, but it doesn't mean that you can't do the work just because you don't have the upgrade or you don't have the new calculator. You can always use the TI-83. So now we're going to do 6 and 4 over 13. Either way, you can do 6 plus 4 over 13. And then math, enter. And you're going to get your answer. For those of you who have the upgrade, then you go about doing it using the upgrade with 6 over 4, 6 and 4 over 13. And either way, you should get 82 over 13. And this concludes the video on how you change a mixed number into an improper fraction using your calculator.